Frederick William Steuben. Frederick William Steuben was a German officer who trained the Continental Army during the American Revolution. He helped strengthen the Army during its darkest days in the winter and spring of 1777 to 1778. Caption: a painting of Frederick William Steuben, Baron von Steuben, is in Independence National Historical, courtesy of the Independence National Historical Park Collection, Philadelphia. Early life. Frederick William Steuben was born on September 17, 1730, in Magdeburg, Prussia, now in Germany. He became a soldier at age 16. Steuben fought in the 7 Years' War, a major war that took place in Europe from 1756 to 1763. After the war, Steuben was let go from the army. Sometime later, he began using the title Baron. Role in the Revolution. In 1777, Steuben met Benjamin Franklin in France. Franklin was a leader of the American colonies. He was in France to ask the French for help with the Revolution. Franklin thought Steuben could help the Americans. He wrote a letter that said good things about Steuben. When Steuben arrived in America, the letter helped introduce him to the leaders of the Revolution. Steuben was sent to train the troops at Valley Forge, Pennsylvania. They were camped there for the winter. The Army was at its lowest point during the winter at Valley Forge. Steuben made a great impression on the Army. He helped them become disciplined and organized. He also formed and commanded a model drill company. His drill company was copied throughout the Army ranks. Steuben later wrote Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops of the United States. His manual was the official U.S. military guide until 1812. In 1778, Steuben was made Inspector General of the Continental Army. In 1780, he commanded in the field. He served in Virginia. Steuben fought in Yorktown, Virginia, where the British finally lost the war in 1781. Retirement. After the war, Steuben settled in New York City. In 1783, he became a U.S. citizen. Steuben was awarded large amounts of money from Congress for his service. He was given land from the state of New York. But Steuben fell into debt. In 1790, he was granted a life pension that helped him survive on his farm. He died in Remsen, New York, on November 28, 1794.